Sending money on Neteller is a straightforward process that allows you to transfer funds easily. Follow these steps to complete your transaction. Step 1. Create or log into your Neteller account. Visit the Neteller website or open the app. If you don't have an account, click on Register to create one. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Send Money section. Once logged in, look for the Send Money option on the dashboard. Click on it to start the process of sending funds to another Neteller user. Step 3. Enter recipient details. In the Send Money section, you will need to enter the recipient's email address or Neteller ID. Make sure to double-check the information to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Step 4. Specify the amount and currency. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and send. After reviewing the details, click on the Send button. You may be prompted to confirm the transaction with a security code or password. Once confirmed, your money will be sent to the recipient. Now you know how to send money using Neteller. Always ensure that you are sending funds to trusted recipients and keep your account information secure.